Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Stock Market Analysis brought to you by Ray Financial. Today is Thursday, March 28th, 2013. Real quick, guys. In my February report, I had told my traders that watch out for the market because there is a downside, but most of my strategies was to wait for the market to come into an area where we can start buying certain stocks. So Nifty I knew was going to come down to the 5,600 to 5,650 levels. That's what I could see on the weekly charts, and based on those I gave out certain strategies to go long on stocks such as BHEL, Arcom, Reliance Infra, SBIN and Siemens. Siemens was actually a part of the short strategy first, which was for January, and then we wanted to go long once it reached the area of 500. Now let's see how these really performed. I just want to go real quick because I haven't been able to upload most of my videos on time, but let's just see how this whole market has performed. So this is Nifty, and let's go back mid of Feb, because that's when I exactly gave out my report. And let's turn it to the weekly chart so we can see this much better. So this is exactly where we were. I will mark out a little circle so you would know that this is the area I was talking about. So we were right there. We just broke the trend line, and I was waiting for the price to break the 20 moving average, which I knew that it was going to happen because Nifty really rallied a lot in the previous months. So after that the market did come down, and there was a sudden spike in the last week of Feb, and then after that right now the market is still coming down. I see great support right now at 5,550. Only if we break that, then we will see 5,200. But let's just stick to what the Feb analysis was. The stocks that I gave out, so BHEL was one of them. Okay, let me open up BHEL for you. Just give me a second. And so here was BHEL, and if I go back, sorry, this is on the weekly. Let's pull up the daily chart. Now if I go back, this was the area where I told my buyers to go long on BHEL between 195 and 202, because there were a lot of gaps in this region, and I wanted the price to actually fill these gaps out here. And just exactly in a short few days the price came into the buying area, and we were looking for just about like a 5% move or something. So from 210 was our target. The price actually went till 213 just within 6 or 5 trading days. So BHEL, we achieved our target. That was a good move. Arcom was my favorite. That stock really made a great move. So Arcom was right here. If you want, I will just show you a sample of how I had given out Arcom. Okay, so this is how Arcom is. Price was around 67.25 on that particular day when I made the report, and then this is the the yellow circle that you see. That was exactly a buying point. Now I will show it to you live on the chart how Arcom was planned. So what we were waiting for was Arcom to enter this area. Okay. Again, keep in mind we are on the Feb analysis. So right here, this was the area that I had marked to go long between 57 to 61.54. And if you see, the price came in very well into this area right here, and then it took off. It made a high till about 69 or something, 69.40. And we booked profits by 68 because I didn't see much movement on the upside, as this particular one big red candle showed that we had to exit at the opening of this candle. So Reliance, we made about 8 points on that. That was good. Reliance Infra was also another stock, but that completely flopped. I mean, I really wasn't expecting that for Reliance Infra. And so let's see. The whole strategy was same as Reliance Communication. We were waiting for the stock to come in the area between 445 to 460, and that's where we would have gone long, because that would have been a great entry point for many traders in the market. But the market is always right. So let's see what happened on Reliance Infra. We actually took a really bad beating, so we lost money on Reliance Infra, to be honest. This is the area where I thought we were going to make the money. Let me just check whether it's the same area. So it's 442. Okay, yeah, so it is basically this particular area where I thought we should have entered, but just see what happened. I mean, the stock kind of like took a beating, and we kind of hit our stop loss. So Reliance Infra was a flop. Yeah, there are some trades that don't go right. You can't always beat the market. Then I have SBIN. After Reliance and Infra, I had SBIN, and SBIN was a great setup to go long. We were waiting for price to come into the area of 2041 and 2000. I think it was 2080. So 2040 and 2080. Now I'll pull up SBIN for you, and if you see this, this was exactly how the stock was set up. This area, and that's exactly where I wanted the price to come. And my target was, actually I was very conservative on my target. My target was 2165. Okay, and just see where the stock went. The stock actually went all the way to 2258. Actually it went a little bit about 2273.80, and my target was 2165. So made the money. I got out early, but that's okay. 2165 would actually be somewhere around here. Ignore this yellow line. So I actually just got out way early, but great move on SBIN. And the last is Siemens, and I really like this stock because I was monitoring it since January. So the whole idea on Siemens, I was looking at it from the weekly point of view, and the first thing I saw that Siemens broke out from a very strong level. That was the 615 or 620, I don't know, but basically this yellow line. And once it broke, I just told all my traders to go short on the stock and exit the stock once it reaches 500. Then once it reached 500, I wanted them to go long after that. So we made money on the short side as well as on the long side. So on the short side, if you see, the 500 comes exactly around here. So that's 513. So this is 500. So basically we got out here when we shorted. We made about like odd 80 points. And then in the February report, I said that wait for Siemens to come down to 500. That's where we exit, and then we start going long on the stock exactly at 500. And my target after that was just 560. I wanted to make 60 points on the 500 area. So this was the 500. So we got out from the short, we went long, and stock actually went, I think, till 595, but we got out at 560 because the moment I saw this red candle, I'm like, it's time to move out. So Siemens, great move. The other stocks was also very nice. Besides Reliance Infra, that was the only one that went wrong. But yeah, if you would have just like stay tuned with us, you would have made a good amount of money in the month, in just the last 2 weeks of February, or probably you could even catch the first week of March. For some reason I have not been able to upload the videos on time. I've just been held back with some work, and I've been trying to get some new ways of trading the market. So let's see. But just after this, I'm uploading the March analysis and what I'm expecting for April and May. So stay tuned, keep watching. if you have any questions. I had so many emails coming up regarding shorting opportunities and using writing options, but to most of you I have replied. Some of you just wait. I appreciate your patience. If there are any more questions, the details are on your screen right now. Just shoot me an email and let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you soon again. Bye.